โคตรใช้มือเลยวะยังไงสัตว์ไม่รอดกูหรอกหนีมาเถอะ
You have one?
Yeah
Yeah, yeah, awesome. Show it to me.
โชว์เขาหน่อยโชว์เขาหน่อยyou look
Oh yes, yes, yes. I look.
นัด
Oh, yeah, put it inside.
ไอ้
Oh,
เว้น
crazy.
เดไปเล็กบอกกันดิ
Oh, crazy. Yes. Good job. You okay, brother?
yeah
Oh no, you're bleeding. Yeah.
we have like this every time and when we see some plastic we must take back because it's not good for sea for nature
Oh yeah, you're absolutely right. Awesome.
we do like this many times
Yes.
ขึ้นมาบีบกล้ามเลย
Oh, again?
ว่า
Oh, strong man.
again
Yeah, really good job, guys. Oh yeah, I see. Many egg. But we still can take it?
yeah sure
Oh, okay, awesome. Yes. Awesome, thank you. Yes.
ตักเลยเลยตักเข้าไปเลย
Yeah, you got her?
yeah
Awesome, yes. And you got bitten again?
yeah
Oh no.
หักเล็บหักอีกนิดได้ไหมโอ้ยเจ็บโชว์ได้ปะ
Awesome. Yes, high five. Yes. High five, Tony. Now let's go and eat. Let's go and eat them.
โอเคโดนไปแล้วมั้ยโอเค3 ตัวนัดว้า you look
Wait. Oh, crazy.
if you want to eat crab you must change your blood
Yes.
we go
Yeah,
go
ba.
make it
Yes. So how long do they take till they boil?
maybe 5 minutes have many แบบ 20 up 20 crab more
Okay. Yeah, I know the water was too high, but it's still enough
But
to
you see
try.
already he must change him back for catch the crab.
Yeah, yes.
Not easy.
You're absolutely right. No, it was a perfect day so far, guys. Thank you very much.
ครับ have many plastic
Yes.
and when have many plastic in the sea no life
No,
no
it's
crab no fish no squid nothing
yeah, it's not good.
eat nothing if have many plastic this is important
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And also the plastic spoon is also packed in plastic. Yeah, it's useless. It's
and then
senseless.
can use only one time
Yes, exactly. And then throw away.
and then it throw away where they throw away in the sea
Yes, absolutely right. Yeah, humans are crazy.
ครับทำเป็นทำ You have see egg inside.
Yes,
Yeah.
the orange thing, right?
Yes.
Yes, I
Orange.
see. Yeah. All of them have eggs or just one?
Maybe all. Just one. All.
Just
all.
two?
Two.
Ah, okay.
Because the Thai say ปูไข่
Okay.
ปูไข่ like a crab have egg inside but can eat
Yeah, I understand. You can eat, no problem.
no problem but some crab and the big crab when they have egg inside they cannot eat because he must
Stay in sea to make baby. More crab.
to make
Yes.
baby for eat together for eat next time
Yes,
but like this
yes.
it can eat
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much. You can eat everything?
no
Just suck it out?
yeah
Yes. Oh wow, that's really good.
can eat.
Thank you very much.
you're welcome it's so sweet
Oh wow, yeah.
yeah fresh very fresh
That's awesome. Do you know the name of the crab?
Thai say ปูหิน
Buhin?
ปูหิน like a cap with stone ปูหิน cap stone
Can also buy market?
cannot
Cannot buy market?
yeah cannot
Why?
because have only here only there
Ah,
ปูหิน in market have ปูม้า like a ปูม้า like a big cap
but same taste, also sweet.
no this is sweet more
This is really good.
ครับ
This is better than shrimp.
ครับ
And shrimp was my favorite so far.
บอกว่ามันจะเจ๋งดี it's not big but when it crab bite you see already
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
It's bleeding as hell.
and this is good for Thai you want to make some picture
Yes, you eat. Wait, give me 1 second. I will eat this.
รอแป๊บนึงก่อนเดี๋ยวขอกินนี่ก่อน
Yeah, you eat.
อ่ะพี่กินอ่ะพี่จิ้มน้ำจิ้มกิน
กินไหนกินไหน
ว้าว
Yeah, it's really good. Yes.
you want to try some rice
Yes, sure.
because like this you know, people eat like this
Yes, thank you very much.
พยายามแกะนี่ก่อน
you maybe you want soya sauce or not?
No, do me a little bit. Can I eat everything on the? Can I eat this? Is no shell
Yeah,
there?
can.
Yes, yes. Do a little bit. Dip it. Just dip it in. Yes, dip it in. Yeah, enough, enough. Thank you very much, ครับผม
มึงไม่ต้องกินในนี่เหรอทำไมกินได้ไม่
Yeah,
Good?
really good. Yes. It's better than on Thai market. Yes.
yeah
You told me before you want to learn cooking.
ครับ
Cook this for customer. Yeah. Many people come here. Yes.
Maybe we can eat for make for eat myself
Yeah. Really good, right?
อยู่ไทยแบบออเรนจ์วัน because I eat many time but you must eat
No, it's awesome. But not good for me that I can't buy market. Just what can I eat?
นี่
Up here, can I eat? Just bite it off?
yes โอ้โหหัดเอาช้อนไปเลยถูกไข่แน่นๆเลยเดี๋ยวกูทำเองช้อนวางไว้เนี่ยโอ้
Yeah, this good, but not so good like the glass.
นี่ it is very very good นิดเดียว
Thank you. Oh, can you put some rice? Some rice?
ช้อนอีกอันหนึงไปไหน
Just take your finger, it's okay, no problem.
เดี๋ยวนี่เดี๋ยวพี่น้าจะเพิ่ง
Yeah, enough, it's okay. ครับผม Oh, this is egg?
yes
Yeah, I taste. Yeah.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
every time นะ
Yes. Thanks for the coffee. Thanks for everything. We had so much fun together. I will never
ขอบ
forget
คุณ
it.
ครับ
Yes. And you see the video soon on YouTube. Yes.
sure for sure
My friend. Bye. Bye. ครับผม
บ๊ายบาย
ขอบ
ค
คุ
รับ
ณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Alright guys, so this is the bar I've just been to. It's easy to find, it's on the way to Hard Rain Beach on Koh Phangan. And yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you soon.